Let's get started. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Choose any color you want. Then click OK. Add your text. This is the font name I am using. You can find download link in description. Insert your image. Decrease opacity that you able to see the text. Press Ctrl+T for free transform. Adjust image size and position accordingly. Reset opacity back to 100. Right-click on image and choose Create Clipping Mask Duplicate Image by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Click on mask icon down here. Now choose text layer and duplicate it. Drag and drop this one on top of the all layers. Decrease fill to 0%. Now open blending options. Choose stroke and apply following settings. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and for your support. Leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Subscribe Dramax LK YouTube channel.